When some person asked him how it happened that since reason has been more cultivated by the men of the present age, the progress made in former times was greater. In what respect, he answered, has it been more cultivated now, and in what respect was the progress greater then? For in that in which it has now been more cultivated, in that also the progress will now be found. At present it has been cultivated for the purpose of resolving syllogisms, and progress is made. But in former times it was cultivated for the purpose of maintaining the governing faculty in a condition conformable to nature, and progress was made. Do not then mix things which are different, and do not expect, when you are laboring at one thing, to make progress in another. But see if any man among us, when he is intent upon this, the keeping himself in a state conformable to nature, and living so always, does not make progress, for you will not find such a man. It is not easy to exhort weak young men, for neither is it easy to hold soft cheese with a hook. But those who have a good natural disposition, even if you try to turn them aside, cling still more to reason.